Yo, what's up everybody, and welcome back to our channel One to Step. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can update apps on your iPhone. So just like in your Play Store where there's going to be update all button, even in App Store of iPhone there's a update all button, but you guys don't know where that button is located. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can find that button. Now why you want to find that button is by clicking the update all button. Every single app on your iPhone is going to be updated, but the thing is your iPhone should have sufficient storage in order for those apps to be updated. So let's say your iPhone doesn't has any storage, then those apps are not going to be updated. So make sure your iPhone has enough storage for the apps to be updated. And if that's the case, like if your iPhone has enough storage, then by following the process which I'm going to be showing you in this video, you can update any like app on your phone as well as update all the apps on your phone. Right, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step for future videos just like this. Let's move on. First step, you open your iPhone, go on App Store. Once you go in App Store, you want to go on where it says apps. At the bottom of your screen in the middle there's going to be an app section. Click on it, and at the top of your screen on the right side corner there's going to be an avatar looking icon. Click on it. So once you're in the app section over here, scroll a bit down and there's going to be this thing called update all button. So on my screen I just need to update my Twitter over here. That's why it's not showing me a lot of apps. But if you have like a bunch of apps which you need to update, you can just click on update all and all of your apps will start to update at the same time. All right, so that's how we guys can update any apps on your iPhone as well as update all the apps on your iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One to Step for future videos just like this. And I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day, and peace out everybody. Stay safe.